So welcome back, friends. Today I'm going to share with you a very simple and inexpensive DIY from the Dollar Tree that you can utilize for fall or for Halloween. The first thing you want to do is find a greeting card from the Dollar Tree, and typically one of the smaller cards will fit perfectly in one of the 5x7 frames, one of the cards like I'm showing you here. Then you want to choose one of the Dollar Tree 5x7 picture frames. Very, very simple, very easy to take the back off of. And you just simply want to take the backing off so that you can set it to the side. Take out the piece of paper that's in the back side and set it off to the side. We're going to use it again later. Place your card inside with the decorated part facing forward, and then put the white side of the paper you took out on the back side of the card. That way the white is showing forward. And then here I'm just putting the back in the back of the picture frame, folding over the little tabs to secure it, and we're going to have a really cute look when we're finished. This is so nostalgic, and it looks as if it was framed, and it's very easy to do just using a Dollar Tree greeting card. So you can do this for any holiday, any season, and I think this is absolutely charming and inexpensive.